Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, January the 14th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the email address you can use if you have any questions for me. This is a link to get into our 100% free room, and when I say that, I mean you don't even have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our live trading room. And I open the room every day around 9 o'clock Eastern Time. That's when I start to share my screen, get live in the mic at about 9:05, and go up to 3:30 Mondays to Thursdays and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. This is a link for a subscription to Trade Ideas. You'll see also perhaps another link in the body of the email. 15% promo code there, or 15% instant savings using the promo code, and that's off the first month of a standard or premium subscription or the entire year of a standard or premium subscription. All right, now gremlins today at work. First of all, the trading room. I know there were a lot of people who for whatever reason could not log in today. I have no idea why that happened. I had a couple of guys from Trade Ideas take a look at different browsers, try to see if they could log in with different browsers. It did not work, so I apologize, but I have no idea why that happened. You know, we had the same number of people at the when I open the room at 9 o'clock. There were around 200 people there, and that's how many people there were there. And we increased, but I did notice that it did not increase up to that over 500 that we normally get. So hopefully this is just a one-off day that this is happening, because I'm not sure what we can do. We're not sure. You know, it could be Omnovia. It could be in the login procedure, so hopefully it'll work tomorrow. The second issue we had was, unfortunately, our chart data was lagging severely. And it's funny because in the pre-market it was working fine, and I was able to. Now this is a serious. I don't want to call it a mistake, but you know, I traded this one in the pre-market. This MBOT, I got in at 410. I sold some out at well, sort of an average of about 437, from 410 to 437. Was fairly happy. You know, I was in after this. Okay, I was fairly happy because it looked like it was kind of popping around. Look what it did right there. It got all the way down to 4. I thought when the market opened that was it, but my goodness, look what happened. It just absolutely accelerated and has really had no stop in it. And one of the reasons is, of course, it's a low float situation, 2.4 million in the float, and you know, I know a lot of people were in it. I was having a tough time tracking it because, again, you know, what I like to do is I like to get my alerts from Trade Ideas, and then the ones that I find interesting, I'll either put a price alert, you know, to give me a price alert when it hits a certain level, or I'll thumbnail the chart. But because we were having data issues, none of that could work for me. So kind of watch this one just kind of fly away from me. But anyway, that, you know, happens. The other one I actually took in the pre-market was the PCG. This, of course, if you've been following the news on this, this is a serious issue, of course. This company looks like they're filing for bankruptcy. The CEO quit. All sorts of horrible news. I actually shorted this one around, it was around 938. Covered down here at 872. This is all in the pre-market, and then back at 920. I think when the market was open, right around 920. Now it's just kind of hanging around that 9 level. So you know, I have to watch this one tomorrow. I mean, this, of course, they file for bankruptcy if they truly do, and I think they might be. But yeah, I mean, this has really nothing to support it. Just a horrible situation for that company. Of course, all to do with the California wildfires and the liability that they appear to have. So anyway, you know, kind of a very frustrating day for me because the charts aren't working and our price alerts weren't working. It was difficult me to trade. Plus, you know, I was answering a lot of emails about, first of all, why can't we get into the room, and how come my data isn't correct. So hopefully it'll all be good tomorrow. So I want to bring back the capture program. Here we go. So, any questions for me? But please don't ask me questions about the data or the trading room. I honestly, I don't know. Well, the data has been fixed now, but on the trading room, hopefully when you log in tomorrow, if you weren't able to do it today, you'll be able to. If it continues to happen tomorrow, then we really have to take a hard look at it. I'm not sure what we can do. I know I personally can't do anything, but our development guys, hope maybe it's a login procedure. I really don't know. So, hope everybody has a great evening. And after all of that, and I hope to see you in our trading room tomorrow at around 9 o'clock Eastern. Bye bye.